All right, so let's see how to share data between two PCs using Bluetooth. So first thing you need to do is turn on Bluetooth for on both the laptops. Then you can click on more Bluetooth settings. Then click on view more devices and scroll down. And here you click on send or receive using Bluetooth. So if you want to send files, then click on send files, and then for now I will just select my phone, but same is the process for laptop also, and I will click on next, and I will select my files. So I will go to desktop and select this file, and I will click on next. So it has started connecting and sending, and I have a prompt on my other device. I will click on accept, and it has successfully sent, and I have successfully received the files. So this was a very simple way to send and receive files on your PC. And now I will show an example of receiving a file. So you again follow the same steps, send or receive files, and this time I will click on receive files. So now it says waiting for a connection, and you go to the other PC and follow the same steps that I told to send a file. So it now says receiving, and it will take a while because it is of a few MB. So now I have successfully received, and I will click on finish. And before that, I can check the location. Here is this file being stored after being received. So if I want to see that file which I have received, I will go to this location. And for now, I will click on finish. And that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.